Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. All right. Only 2 more lessons this week, today and tomorrow. Catch up Friday always to catch up. We're going to be finishing the remainder of chapter 2 over the next 2 days. End of the chapters usually means a test. Any tests that I'm going to give you are take home. I'm going to figure out the right medium for it. But take home, and you use your book if you have a book. Otherwise, I'll work on something different for the ones that don't. All right, jumping right in. We are doing today, you're reading 67, 68, 69. I hadn't assigned vocab this week because I said I'm not assigning all the vocab. Some of the stuff we're just not going to do. So it's reflection, refraction, diffraction. We've covered all those. Today we're doing constructive and destructive interference, which is just how waves interact. And then we'll do resonance, which is about that Galloping Gertie Bridge tomorrow. Very interesting topic. I do like it. So from the book, here we go. There's diffraction. Very short paragraph on diffraction. Just that waves have to move around stuff. They show examples of waves in this. Figure 3, just ignore. You're going to do apply it. And apply it as 3 pictures. There's one. There's a real picture of it, though. Look at that. Sam Adams. And this is a great glass where you should just fill up a glass and throw a pencil in there and just look at that and think about how your eye works. That's a classic shot of how waves interact and kind of trick the eye, because you know that it's a straight straw. All right. So assess, you're doing apply it. And here are the 3 pictures. In there, a mirror. And then that is your diffraction right there, right? Showing how waves work after they pass through an opening. Very cool how that happens. Assess your understanding. You're just defining diffraction. So essentially going, what is diffraction? Oh, this is diffraction. So that's not too complex. On the next page, it's a little bit more difficult. I'll talk about it tomorrow, Thursday. This is essentially when you're watching waves come in, sometimes they combine and get higher. Sometimes the waves interact, crest to trough, and it kind of knocks down the waves. I remember many times I say, I'm going to jump in that wave. It's coming in, and all of a sudden it just kind of collapses, and it's not a good wave to ride into the beach. So all you're doing is figure 4. All right, talking about these black dotted lines only on those 3 pictures. So there's 3 answers for figure 4, referring what each one does, and it describes exactly what it is. Then you're going to do destructive interference. So constructive builds stuff, constructive. Destructive destroys stuff, destructive. Pretty obvious. And they ask you the same style of questions, because you got 1, 2, 3 here too. Describe the steps of destructive interference, all with waves. So they're not trying to trick you here. They're just looking for ocean waves, and that's going to be it for today. So send me a picture with your answers today or tomorrow, or catch up Friday. All good days, and that's it for today. It is obviously halfway through the week. I appreciate the folks that came in. Sorry, there was a couple people that said that they couldn't get through in the waiting room. I was there. I was looking, but I did leave the computer for about 5 minutes to do a bathtub experiment. So maybe that 5 minutes, I just didn't know that you were there. I was thinking about that last night. We'll try to do better each week. Almost May. Keep it up.